Ignoring the fact that it was snowing yesterday and all the leaves have fallen, it's already looking like winter season. Here are some of my fall outfit ideas for the remaining October month.
Starting with my photoshoot outfit, I got this dress online and I know that it is not a perfect dress for fall, but hey, now it is after layering it with a skin tight turtleneck along with some neck accessories and wearing my only black boots. And I think the thigh slit is making it more classy. Also, the weather was so warm and chill with leaves falling down. It was absolute fun posing for a professional photoshoot for once. Outfit number 2, and this is the absolute fun and cute outfit idea I found on the internet. Simply wearing a skirt, an oversized hoodie, or a sweatshirt with those collars. Wow. I never actually wore this outfit anywhere outside, but I managed to style it with whatever clothes I have. And here I'm wearing a white shirt and adding a sweatshirt on the top, pulling out those collars and styling it with a bag and those boots. I really like this outfit idea. Here I'm wearing a white sweater top along with white slip as it was very cold outside and I wanted to stay warm, and black pants. Again I'm styling with some neck pieces because it was looking very plain, and also tied my hair in a half pony for a change because that's the only hairstyle I know. And for the shoes, I went for white shoes to match my sweater and wore a trench coat as it was suitable for the weather. And yeah, that's a complete outfit. My go-to outfit is always a hoodie with some comfortable pants along with the bomber jacket or this varsity jacket, which I used to call it a high school jacket as of every American high school movie characters wear it. And today I learned that the varsity is used for university, which is usually related to sporting activity. And I usually wear these white shoes or my regular sports shoes for more comfort. That's it. I have love-hate relation with this outfit and I'm really sorry for the bad lighting. Well, I had this summer top which I never really wore, but when I wore it under a turtleneck top with some neck accessory, the top really looked good on me, and I thought that this is a cool way to wear summer outfits in cold season. The black trench coat and a black boots really made that outfit stand out, I guess. Well, I hope I made good use of it someday. I don't know. And this brings us to the last outfit. Here I'm wearing a full print mock neck top and a plain A-line skirt with black boots again, and also a trench coat. But I took it off later. Yes, I lost my top right after the day I wore it, so I only have pictures of it. It was a very random outfit idea, as me and my friends decided to go out and take some pictures in this warm weather. We really had a lot of fun.